Just look at that. Oh my goodness. What do you think, guys? Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As the title suggests, today we're going to do fufu for the first time as a Kenyan. Yes, curiosity forced me to open this. I already did it, so we're going to try and cook it. Yeah, I think it's like our ugali but a little bit different, but let's try and see. So also I'm going to do Ghanaian beef stew. Yes, Ghanaian beef, not Kenyan. Also, so I'm going to give a touch of Kenyan by cooking this sukuma matumbo. Yeah, I'm going to write the English name right down here, but that's how it looks like. Yeah. So also I did not forget to have a touch of African, because why not? I'm an African. And actually, guys, this fabric came from Ghana. Hey, I'm feeling proud. And also this came from Ghana. Connections. Spices, I'm going to use sankofa. Ghanaian know this. I have Maggi cube right there. I do have some 2 chilies. In Kenya we don't have the chilies like the ones Ghana have, and Nigeria, that is the West African countries. This is what we have available, so allow me use this one. I'm going to use the minimal of it because spices. Okay, I'm going to use tomato paste. We have garlic, we have ginger, and salt, oil, onions, tomatoes right here. So for the sukuma matumbo, I'm just going to use 1 Maggi cube and an onion and salt to taste. Okay, yeah, that's it. For fufu, I'm going to have some bit of salt and some bit of oil. Let's begin. Yeah. So we're going to add our onions. So also going to add some pastes in here. And then spices. Midway, I've decided to add some soy sauce. Then add water. Yeah. So I'm not going to add any salt into my beef because salt hardens meat. So I'm going to cover it the way it is and let it boil for maybe 30 minutes or until it's tender. So as that is cooking, we're going to cook our sukuma matumbo. That is the calicles. I finally got the name. So I'm going to add some onions in here. So I'll add some oil. Then fry the onions well. You can throw in some garlic, but for today I'll omit because I'm going to use a lot of garlic in the beef, so I'll just do onions. Yeah. Is ready. So allow me put this aside and then come back. So in a pan we're going to add oil, just enough. So give it some time to heat up. Add back in our beef. So we're going to fry this beef for some time. Let's fry it for a bit. That's ready for me. Aside. So in this oil I'm going to add onions and garlic. These are blended tomatoes. This is where I'm going to come in with my salt. It's enough. So let's cover that and give it some minutes. Next is our tomato paste. Enough. I'm going to go in with my sankofa. Full pack. So I'll add some bit of water. Add some more. Soup dubu. Dufu. Dufu means soup. Yeah, so I'll cover that again. I'll cover that and then allow it to cook until I see oil floating. That's when I'm going to add our beef. Yeah. Here somewhere. Yeah. It smells so nice. Oh my goodness. Look at our sauce. So I'll add our beef back in. Then mix that. Oh, I love this. Woo. Then now I'm going to add in a Maggi cube. West Africans, am I doing the right thing? Just comment down below in the comment section and tell me if you think I'm doing the right thing. Oh, I love this. Wow. I've never done this before. Actually, it's my first time, and I think I'm going to change my recipes moving forward. So this is what we have so far. So I'll cover for a few minutes. Here is our chili, just to make it West African a bit. Yeah, mix that up. This is so good. Yeah, this is so good. I think for me this is ready. Yeah, this is ready for me. So in my water I'm going to add a bit of salt to taste. Then I'll add some oil, just a bit. Yeah. Then cover that to boil. Our water is boiled. Now it's fufu time. Hey, okay, come along. So I'll just cook it like ugali. Hope I don't mess it up. Drop some water the way I usually see they do. Look at how I'm sweating. This is not easy. This is not easy, chale. If you love ugali in Kenya, you take it and turn it. Yeah. A bit of water as we go. So let me cover it for a few minutes. Yeah, I think it's ready for me. Am I doing the right thing? My hands are clean. Just don't judge me. Now let's put it in our plate. Let's. Wow! What do you think, guys? Just look at that. Oh my goodness. What do you think, guys? Try your time, guys. Oh, my hands are clean. Some fufu. Fufu is going and leaving beef in the mouth. But I love it. Oh, the beef. Oh, oh. Have some. So good. Let me eat. So guys, that's all I had for you today. But there's something I've come to realize. This beef stew is really good. And the fufu, I hear most Kenyans say they don't like it, but trust me guys, I don't, if it's because of the cocoyam, I don't know if it's because for the cocoyam or I don't know, but it is tasty, and that pinch of salt takes it to another level. I love this meal. So for the West Africans or Ghanaians, please comment down below, tell me what you think, how I performed. For my other audience, please also comment down below, because I've never done such a video before. Tell me what you think. Will you love such videos? Yeah. So thank you for liking the video, thank you for subscribing, and if you've not subscribed, please guys, please, let's get to 3K subscribers. That's the only way you can support a girl. Okay, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.